She stormed into court, tossed papers on the bench, and said, "Here you go, sweetheart. Let's wrap up this circus." The room froze. The black judge didn't flinch, because in 10 minutes, Officer Lindsay Reece would lose her badge, her pension, and her career. She thought she was untouchable. But this time, she disrespected the wrong judge. He walked into the courtroom like it belonged to her. Officer Lindsay Reece, 29, white, blonde, decorated, feared, not questioned. Until today. She barged in late, skipped protocol, and dropped a stack of citations onto the judge's bench. "Here you go, sweetheart. Let's wrap up this circus." The room froze. Every head turned. But Judge Amina Clarke didn't blink. The first black woman to hold that bench in the district, she was known for her composure. She looked up slowly. "Step back to the council rail, Officer Reece." Lindsay rolled her eyes. "I don't have time for games." Then, under her breath, caught by the courtroom mic, "Figures. They'll let anybody wear a robe these days." What she didn't know, Deputy Attorney General Eli Ward was sitting in the back row, a longtime ally of Judge Clarke, and he'd heard every word. Judge Clarke didn't raise her voice. She simply made 2 phone calls. First, Internal Affairs, you'll receive the courtroom footage. I'm requesting immediate review. Second, Eli, does this rise to your level? Send the file. I'm forwarding it to DOJ. 10 minutes later, Reece was called back in. This time, the courtroom wasn't routine. 2 internal affairs officers, a federal prosecutor in the front row. Judge Clarke pressed play. Lindsay's voice echoed off the walls, entitled, smug, dripping with contempt. "You are hereby held in contempt. Fined $1,000. Ordered to complete 40 hours of de-escalation and racial bias training. And your badge is now in custody." Lindsay's voice cracked. "This is overkill." Eli Ward stood. "No, it's just beginning." By sunset, she was placed on unpaid leave. By Friday, she was fired. A month later, under full investigation. All because she forgot. The courtroom doesn't belong to the loudest. It belongs to the law. Like if you believe power doesn't need to shout. Share if this hit deep. Comment, respect the bench, and subscribe for more stories where silence wins.